Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about the overview and the important highlights of the interview which took place in 2017 at World Government Summit WGS between Mr. Mohammed Al Girgawi and Mr. Elon Musk. First of all, World Government Summit WGS is a collection of 139 governments. And talking about the host of this particular interview, it is Mohammed Al Girgawi. Mohammed Al Girgawi is the UAE Minister of Cabinet Affairs and Chairman of WGS, World Government Summit. And on the other hand, Mr. Elon Musk is the visionary who is currently the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Apart from that, he is a great inspiration for youngsters. As I said, this particular conversation took place in the form of interview where Mohammed Al Girgawi asked questions to Elon Musk and Elon Musk replied the answers to that particular question. So let us get to know what are the questions which Mr. Mohammed Al Girgawi asked to Mr. Elon Musk. First question: what is your life mission and why do you do whatever you do? Second, what is life for Elon Musk? Third, how do you see life 20, 30, 50 years from now in terms of education and transport? Fourth, why is artificial intelligence, AI, dangerous? Fifth, are there other intelligent life outside Earth? Sixth, will we be making contact with aliens in 50 years? Seventh, why do you want to die on Mars? Eighth, why are you building tunnels under Washington DC? Ninth, what is disturbing thing coming in technology? 10th, what are 3 advices you would give to the governments? 11th, why are you pushing human limits? 12th, how do you choose your team? 13th, what is your biggest challenge in life? And last 14th, what is your advice to the youth? Now let us talk about the highlights of the interview. The first highlight: Elon Musk's life mission is to increase the scale and the scope of human consciousness by working on long-term sustainable transport, sustainable energy generation, by making humans a space exploring civilization and multi-planetary species. The second highlight is he says that it is not certain to predict the future how it will look like. But he has two guesses. The first one is that humans will be multi-planetary species. That means they will be not only confined to Earth but they will be there among the other stars. The second guess: advanced autonomy and artificial intelligence will come into existence. The third highlight, he mentions that deep artificial intelligence, like super intelligent robots, are a threat to humanity. But narrow AI like self-driving cars are beneficial to mankind. The fourth highlight, the solution to the urban congestion, that means traffic jams in major cities, can be tackled by building tunnels under the cities, which will help to regulate traffic. Fifth highlight, he gives 3 advices to the governments. The first, to keep an eye on AI that pose a threat to humanity. Second, large production of electricity will be necessary in the coming future, approximately triple as of now. The third, He presents it as a problem to the society, that is mass unemployment. As you all know that machines and AI are replacing humans in particular job work. Sixth highlight, before hiring team, he asks a very typical question. What challenges did you face while solving a problem and how did you overcome it? Seventh highlight, the biggest challenge for Elon Musk is to maintain a corrective feedback loop. That means a feedback which is genuine and actually speaks of the right and the wrong of what needs to be done. The last highlight, he gives advice to the youth by saying that the best analytical framework can be built by studying the physical concepts, the concepts of physics and the logic behind them. With this, the video ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed a lot while watching this speech. You'll find the link of the whole speech in the description. And see you in the next one. Anirudh here, signing off.